Finally, Galaxy A06 gets One UI 7, and it's a game changer. Samsung's most affordable phone just got a major upgrade, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. One UI 7 plus Android 15 is here for the Galaxy A06. Samsung has officially released the first big software update for the Galaxy A06, bringing Android 15 and the all-new One UI 7.0 experience. This update started rolling out in countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines, and it might be live in more regions too. Just head to Settings, Software Update, download and install, and check if it's available for your phone. The update is around 3 gigabytes in size and comes with firmware version A065 FXX U4BYF6. Surprisingly, it brings the May 2025 security patch, not June's. But that's not a big deal considering how many new features are packed in. What's new in One UI 7 on the Galaxy A06? Fresh new design. Notifications now have a pill-style layout, stacked neatly by app. Quick Panel and Notifications Panel are now on separate screens, but you can combine them if you want. Smooth animations, updated app icons, and new charging visuals. Now Bar, always stay in the know. A smart bar at the top shows live activities like sports scores, timers, and more, even on the lock screen. Home screen upgrades, large folders, better landscape mode, and a ton of new widgets. You can now hide app and widget labels for a cleaner look. Smarter camera, easier one-handed use, better zoom, improved Pro and Pro Video modes, grid and level guides to help take perfect shots. Improved apps and tools. Video replay button appears right after playback. Smart Select gives you smart suggestions. Weather app now tells you if it's a good day for gardening, running, or cycling. Better editing tools create collages and stories. Image and video editor gets more features. Samsung Health adds mindfulness tools and badges. Multitasking gets easier. Multiple pop-ups from the same app are grouped under one icon. Tap it to view all previews. Better productivity. Group alarms set individual volumes. More calendar and reminder controls. Even move events between accounts. Add repeating reminders with multiple dates. Duplicate completed reminders with just one tap. More customization in modes and routines. New if-else logic, variables, and new triggers. File Picker, redesigned for faster previews and uploads. New battery health protection settings. The Galaxy A06 was launched in August 2024 with Android 14, and Samsung promises two major Android updates plus 4 years of security patches. So yes, Android 16, One UI 8 will also come in the future. If you own a Galaxy A06, this update is a massive step up. It makes your phone feel smoother, smarter, and more premium without spending a single rupee. So go ahead and update now. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hidden features, update news, and Samsung tips you won't find anywhere else.